Hello there, everyone. In this particular module today, we'll learn about yet another social media application for your traffic generation needs, Instagram. Instagram is a social networking application made for sharing photos and videos on a smartphone. One can upload and share photos and videos with their followers and also comment and like posts shared by people they follow. As of 2017, there are 1 billion users on Instagram, which is 13% of the world's population. An average user of Instagram spends approximately 20 to 15 minutes of their time scrolling, liking, posting, sharing, and socializing through the application. Looking at the extent of market penetration, it's only natural that as an online marketer, you should take advantage of this to generate traffic and create brand or product awareness. Here's a guide to Instagram. Creating your account and profile. First and foremost, you need a smartphone. Instagram only permits uploads from a mobile device. Download the app, and you can start registering for an account. You should link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. This way, it'll be easier to develop your business profile on Instagram and get higher amounts of traffic from multiple platforms. Start naming your account accordingly and follow the sign-up instructions. You will be prompted to find contacts. Instagram will automatically search through your contacts to find those who are using Instagram as well. Use an appropriate profile picture for your Instagram account. Remember to treat your profile picture as your branding. Use your brand or company logo for it. Once you're done, you'll be taken to your home page. If you're bringing a business profile to Instagram, it's only necessary that you turn your Instagram account into a business account. This will make it easier for you to declare to users that you are a business account, and people will get in touch with you easily using Instagram. Go to your profile and tap the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the Switch to Business Account option. You will be given a choice to connect to your Facebook page. If you haven't done so, once it's connected, Instagram will automatically import your business profile from Facebook and set it up for you. Instagram Insights. Once you're finished, you'll have access to Instagram Insights. This feature is a useful tool for online marketers to be able to better understand their audience's behavior, which is helpful in creating a more relevant post that will appeal to the audience. Go to your profile page and tap the bar chart icon besides your setting icon. However, you need to have posted a few photos in order to be able to see anything here. You'll see that the Insight page is divided into 3 separate tabs: Activity, Content, and Audience. Activity. There are 2 subsections under this tab: Interactions and Discovery. Interactions is where you can view the number of times users have interacted with your account in the form of profile visits, the number of times users have visited your profile; website clicks, the number of times users have clicked the link in a bio; email, the number of times users have tapped this button on your profile; call, the number of times users have tapped this button on your profile. Here you can also see which days in the week that have the most user interactions. You can also compare interactions from the week before. Discovery is where you can see overall influence of your Instagram account. This is measured in the form of impressions, the total number of times all your posts have been seen; reach, the number of unique accounts that have seen your posts. This section, however, only shows insights limited to the past 7 days. Content. This tab can be divided into another 3 parts: Posts, Stories, and Promotions. Posts is where you can see insights on the photos and videos you posted on your Instagram feed. You can sort and filter your insights based on all, photo, video, carousel, or shopping posts with various metrics taken from your posts: calls, emails, profile visits, impressions, reach, website clicks; comments, the number of comments on your post; engagement, the number of unique accounts that liked, commented, or saved your post; follows, the number of accounts that started following you because of your post; Get directions, the number of users who tapped get directs because of your post. Likes, the total number of likes on your post. And saved, the number of unique accounts that saved your post. You can rank your posts based on which performed well and which did not based on your metrics. You can also see in-depth analytics for each post by clicking on each post, then clicking View Insights. Here you can see the total interactions as well as the detailed breakdown of the discovery of your post in terms of follows, reach, and impressions. The other section under Content, Stories is where you can look at insights of your Instagram stories. Here you can see your Instagram stories, reach, and impressions, and also these additional metrics. Exited, the number of times someone has swiped away from story. Replies, the number of replies to the story posted. Viewers, the number of people who have seen your story. Forwards, the number of people who skipped this story post. Backwards, the number of people who have gone back to this story. Next story, the number of taps to the next account's story. All these metrics can be used to analyze to indicate whether the user is interested in the story or not. In Promotions, the final section in Content is where you can see insights on your paid ads and promotions. Here you can see the number of profile visits, impressions, reach, and engagement of post, and demographics of audience of the post. The last tab here under Instagram Insights is Audience. Here you can see the information on your followers, like who they are and their numbers. The kind of information they provide here are gender, age range, top locations where your followers are from based on city and country, followers, your followers' active times, according to days of the week, and time. If you've posted several posts already, it's time to evaluate the information you've garnered using Insights. Study your viewers based on your target audience and the actual impressed audience. From there, connect the dots between them and the post. How is it different from other content? Remember, your main purpose is to generate traffic to your business. Now, you may have created a content that impressed a lot of users, but have you ever thought about expanding past your stagnant chart? Then promoting is what you need to do. However, promoting a post on Instagram will cost you money. Driving traffic to your site. One frustrating thing about Instagram is the fact that it isn't the greatest application of driving traffic from the application to your website. That's mainly due to the fact that clickable URLs aren't allowed in any Instagram post. Always mention your website link on every caption of your posts, like check link in bio or link in bio to drive users to your page. Remember how previously you could add your contact information when you've converted your normal profile into a business profile? That is the only clickable link that could direct users to your website. That is why it's important for you to add your website to your description in order to direct users to your desired website. Other than captioning your post, you'll need to tag it. Let's say you have a new strawberry milkshake recipe to boast about and you've updated the how-to on your blog. Remember to update your link and hashtag your captions. So instead of hashtag strawberry milkshake recipe, typed without space, try individual hashtag for each word like hashtag love, hashtag strawberry, hashtag milkshake, hashtag new, hashtag recipe, hashtag food porn. That way your hashtag will span across differing word searches instead of just one full sentence. It'll be easier for users to find your post this way. You can try using very popular hashtags such as hashtag love, hashtag social, and hashtag food porn.